So today, to continue with our rounds of plastic surgery and celebrities, I would like to discuss Emma Stone. Emma looked gorgeous before, she looks gorgeous again today, but lately I've seen some changes online, on pictures, Instagram pictures, where most of the bigger changes I see are in her upper face. Now the new pictures, her eyes are much brighter, much more open. If you look carefully at the eyebrows, the tail of her eyebrows are nicely elevated now, which has brightened her eyes. We obtain this often with a temporal lift or a brow lift. Often we do at the same time an upper blepharoplasty, which will remove some of the excess of skin in the upper lid and the fat pads. We all have little fat pads that over time will start herniating out, and we often trim them or reuse them for other purposes. So I think she must have had some sort of upper face procedure. Botox sometimes can give you a little brow lift, but I see bigger changes that Botox can do. Now, if I look at more subtle changes in her pictures, when just a few years ago, she had 2 or 3 little folds in her cheeks when she was smiling. Now I only see 1. This is usually what happens after a well done deep plane, mid and lower facelift, which I suspect she may have had. Her face is nice and contour, her jawline is perfect and very angular. I see no platysmal bands, no jowlings. So I think she's had probably the famous deep plane facelift that we've been doing now for the last 5, 6, 7 years, where both the skin and the muscles are lifted, and the aim is always to get very fine scars which are barely visible. Now, the last thing I'd like to point out on her picture is her upper lip. Her lips before were more in the 1:2 ratio, and now her lips are closer to the 1.8:2 ratio, which is beautiful, and this can be achieved with either a bit of filler, fat grafting, or sometimes a bullhorn lip lift, where the scar is well hidden under the nose, that can also give you that upper lip fullness without the ducky lip look. So kudos to her plastic surgeon, she looks fantastic.